I'm Bethan Whitehead and I'm the Deputy Head Teacher of Ynysboeth Primary School. We've chosen two artists, one of which is a blogger / illustrator and the other is a beatboxer. From my point of view, it's about opening these children's minds to new opportunities that exist in society today. So for the children to have an opportunity to work with somebody who is very skilled, such as an artist, they're going to have the opportunity to be able to develop skills and see opportunities that weren't there previously for them.
Pupils, I hope, will gain confidence in their own abilities, with drawing, with literacy, with their own creativity, and gain some ambition for their lives in what they want to do as well, and some drive, yeah.
Already they do feel that they are valued and they're worth something, and that's really why we're here and what the project is all about.
It's going really, really well. The children are really, really engaged in the project. They're really enjoying it. We've created lots of work.
They've really come up trumps. I've been shocked by how much they've really thrown themselves into it and enjoyed putting it out there. You can't stop them now. They all want to get up on stage and do their little bit.
There's been some lovely outcomes already. So no one's having to tell them to be on task. They want to be doing what they're doing, which is really nice to see. They're already standing in front of the class doing a rap, and having seen those children at the start of the project and how underconfident they were, that's been a great progression for them, and it's had a really positive impact on their writing, which is what it's all about.
And I love that part when you see them starting to get that confidence in their own abilities and sharing their skills with others as well.
So we've just completed our first year of the Lead Creative School programme. We're at the process now of evaluating what's happened in the first year, and obviously then we're looking forward then to carry it forward into the next academic year.
The biggest thing that this project has shown is that never underestimate the kind of pupil voice in the process. And if it's not forthcoming, then find ways to kind of build the knowledge of the pupils so that they can then make the decisions that you're asking of them. When we started in this school, the pupils thought that an artist was just a painter, and they were very kind of reticent to decide what they could do creatively. And I think sometimes pupils just need a bit of help along the way, and then they can be very sure about what they want.
I think I've developed new skills of being a bit more, a bit more patient.
But they didn't see any of that as onerous, hard work, boring, and you just sit back a little bit, I think, and think we're making education difficult sometimes for ourselves, when if we can make it engaging and interesting for those children, we get a lot more out of it for them. So I've learned a lot along the way. Even thinking about it now, I'm so proud of what they did. It was beautiful. It really was. I'm going to